The age-old question: do you need a website?
The most important and indispensable thing to assure your success in affiliate marketing is your own website. The first step in any successful affiliate marketing business is building a good, credible, and professional-looking website. Your website is the jump-off point of all your marketing efforts. Therefore, you must first build a user-friendly website, which will attract your prospects and motivate them to click on the links to the products and services you are promoting and make a purchase. You must first focus your efforts in building a website that will cater to what your prospects need. Above all else, make your website full of original, relevant, and useful content. The most important thing you should consider is that almost all web users go online to look for information, not necessarily to go and buy something. People will love articles that are appealing and helpful. Keep in mind that, in the internet, content is still king, and good quality content will not only build your credibility, it can also help you achieve a higher search engine ranking. By posting relevant and useful articles, you establish yourself as a credible expert in the field, making you a more dependable endorser of the product or service you promote. Establishing a good name is a good step in building up a dedicated consumer base. Dedicated customer bases are the lifeblood of affiliate marketers. You must use every possible means on your website to motivate prospects not only to visit your site, but also to click and proceed to the websites of the products and services you are promoting. When you are creating your website, the possibilities are endless and are limited only by your imagination, originality, resourcefulness, and resolve. You can always explore other ideas and adapt other strategies, which you think might help you become a high-rolling affiliate marketer, but not until you have a great website.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.